Viewers, Namaskar. Welcome to this edition of the News Bulletin. In view of the prevalent COVID conditions, you are requested to adhere to the COVID appropriate behaviors like wearing masks properly, washing hands frequently, maintaining social distancing and avoiding crowded places. In the headlines today, induction heater commissioned at Mechanical Shop of SAIL RSP. Program on preventive vigilance held at SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant. In our Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav series, today's personality is Nityananda Mahapatra. Now the news in detail. In a function organized at Mechanical Shop of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant on 26 November 2021, Mr. A.V. Rajasekhar, CGM in charge Mechanical, inaugurated the 50 kVA induction heater. Present on the occasion were Mr. R.N. Rajendran, CGM shops, HODs of centralized maintenance, senior officers and employees of the department. The program was coordinated by Mr. Sekhar Narayan, GM Mechanical Shop. The induction heater is used for heating and dismantling of assemblies and sub-assemblies for different plant units. Previously, assemblies and sub-assemblies were heated for dismantling and fitting of spares as a requirement of shrink fitting with mixed gas flame. Mixed gas was available to Mechanical Shop through a 650 meter long MB 150 pipeline. Maintenance of this long mixed gas line is quite tedious and expensive. Approximately 10 lakhs of maintenance expenditure used to be incurred for maintaining such a long mixed gas line. After carrying out all this exercise, availability of mixed gas was very poor, which was resulting delay in heating of assemblies. Under the guidance of CGM shops, it was proposed to procure an induction heater to eliminate these problems. The installation of this device will help in getting rid of maintaining such a big, expensive and time-consuming mixed gas line. The department will now be able to heat the assemblies at local required place without heating the entire jobs in a very less time. The base cost of the induction heater is about Rs 7 lakh, while it will enable the company to save around Rs 50 lakhs per annum towards maintenance of mixed gas line, gas and others. A 2-day-long training program on preventive vigilance awareness was held at HRD Center on 26th and 27th November. Mr. C.R. Mohapatra, CGM in charge, MM and Marketing, presided over the inaugural session and administered the vigilance plays to all. Ms. Rajashri Banerjee, CGM HRD, Mr. M.K. Gupta, GM Vigilance and ACVO were present in these sessions. In all, 31 participants from different departments of RSP are attending the program. Addressing the gathering, Mr. Mohapatra stressed upon the need of transparency in documentation, processing and public dealings. He also emphasized upon self-discipline and preventive vigilance to fight the evils of corruption, which has a direct impact on the society. Speaking on the occasion, Ms. Banerjee urged all to ensure transparency while handling public fund. Mr. Gupta underscored the need of promoting ethical values in public life and becoming more conscious of these credos while working in a public sector setup. The program focused on the purpose and role of Vigilance Department and its core activities, procurement, procedures and CDA rules for executives. For an in-depth understanding of the subject, case studies were used as a tool of training. A film on preventive vigilance was also screened on the occasion. The sessions were taken by Mr. B.K. Yadav, GM Vigilance, Mr. Hara Mohan Raut, Senior Manager MM Purchase, Mr. J.P. Shukla, DGM Vigilance, Mr. N.C. Panda, DGM Personnel, Mr. C.M. Besra, DGM Personnel and Mr. Nihar Ranjan Parija, Senior Manager MM Purchase. The concluding session was presided over by Mr. P.K. Sahu, CGM Projects Commercial. Mr. L. Marandi, Manager HRD, coordinated the program. As a part of the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav celebration, SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant is presenting a series of news on the eminent personalities of Odisha, some well known and some lesser known. Today's personality is Nityananda Mahapatra. Born on 17 June 1912 at Talapada in Bhadrak district, Sri Nityananda Mahapatra was the worthy son of Kanta Kavi Lakshmi Kanta Mahapatra. He had earned his fame for his journal Dagara as its editor and as an influential writer. He was conferred with Kendriya Sahitya Academy Award for his novel Ghara Diha in 1987 and Ati Badi Jagannath Das Award in 1999. He penned many literary works which include satires, essays, biographies and translations. In his political career, Mahapatra served as a member of the Odisha Legislative Assembly from 1957 to 1971 and as State Minister of Supply and Cultural Affairs from 1967 to 1971. This famous Odia writer left for heavenly abode on 17th April 2012. And that's all what we have for today. Namaskar.